EUREKA Robotics Centre is one of only 14 leading research centres in robotics in the UK, and the only centre specialised in social and service robotics, partnering with global collaborators from companies, universities. The current research strengths in the centre are social and service humanoid robotics. As of today, we have more than 30 cutting-edge robots.
The EUREKA Robotics Centre aims to become the #1 research centre in service robotics in the UK. We strive for world-class research in service robotics in sectors such as healthcare, hospitality, education, agriculture, and logistics. Also, fundamental research to strengthen our background in the design and development of better robotic systems that can handle the novel, changing, and uncertain situations that service robots will encounter.
We have 3 specialist labs. In the Robotic Care Lab, we are piloting the first Robot Nightingale and Robot Almeida. The robots will assist healthcare staff, enhancing daily healthcare tasks with emotion recognitions, bionic interactions with deep learning techniques, semi-autonomous motion and control, and telecare, healthcare. The robots can connect to the Internet of Robotics Things to check healthcare data, immediate results and suggestions, while maintaining social distancing during COVID. We also researched and developed the first robotic waiter in Wales, Robot EUREKA, who can provide personalized hospitality services, interactions in multiple languages, dancing, singing, and gaming. In our Intelligent Robot Maker Lab, we 3D print JD robotic parts and design home-built 3D printed robots. During the challenging COVID period, our interns designed new masks and 3D printed visors for healthcare staff in Wales. With the STEAM or STEM lab, we provided more than 50 workshops and teachers CPD to primary and secondary schools. In addition, part of the initiatives including consultation for setting up robotics labs and STEM workshops.
We continue to look for national and international funding opportunities to support our research, and we actively seek research collaboration opportunities with the local industry. In particular, we plan to collaborate with local industry to establish the Center of Doctoral Training in Service and Hospitality Robotics.
We have got the energetic, professional but friendly EUREKA people who grew this research lab into the EUREKA Robotics Centre of today. I welcome you to join me in celebrating the success and the launch of the EUREKA Robotics Centre.